Needed an easy project. Maybe you're like that sometimes too. You need something, you know, it's a weekend, you don't have a lot of time, but you want to get in the shop and do something. And so I came across this pattern. It's the fish. It says Jesus on it. It's hard to read. Maybe once I get it cut out, it'll be a little bit easier to read. But anyway, it's 3/4 inch red oak, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 inside cuts and 1 outside cut. I got a number 9 Pegasus. I'm sorry. Yeah, number 9 modified geometry blade. I think the blade is getting dull. I'll make this one first cut and then I'll switch. Yeah, that was okay. Oh, I think I realized what the problem. There's a piece of scrap underneath this. It was catching. Something feels different, unusual. Check it out. See if you can figure out why. It's a very unusual shaped cut, and there wasn't a lot of room to make a turn here. So I went past it, and I can come back. Alright. Now the inside of the tail there is obviously a very sharp angle. Now I could cut it that way, but you know, come in from one side and then go out the other. But since it's near the edge of a piece, I'm going to come in this way, make that cut, come in this way, make that cut. That way I have a nice sharp intersection there. And then these obviously straight across, and then the other two there are going to be no problem at all. Alright, there you go. Now you can make out the letters. It was hard to do on just white piece of paper with black lettering. Take off the pattern. That's why I like scroll saw tape. You just pull it right off like that. It's not cheap, but it saves you time and aggravation. There's one. I'm going to make one more. Okay, that's the finished item. I went back when I did the second one. I looked at the clock before and after. It took me 15 minutes to cut that out. So, quick project, nice little home decoration. If you sell online or if you sell in a store, I would think that would be a good item as well. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the video, comment if you have any comments, and subscribe to see future videos.